Welcome back to Roam Tips. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links from this overview are down in the description below, and remember, this is just my personal experience with Verizon Fios Internet. Verizon Fios Internet offers a powerful and reliable connection, delivering impressive speeds perfect for streaming, gaming, and working from home. Their fiber optic network boasts symmetrical download and upload speeds, minimizing lag and buffering. With various plans to choose from, you can select the speed tier that best suits your household's needs. Verizon Fios also offers a range of bundled packages, combining internet service with TV and phone options for a comprehensive home entertainment and communication solution. Whether you're a casual internet user or a power user demanding top-tier performance, Fios has an option for you. Their network coverage extends across multiple regions, although availability can vary. Check their website to see if Fios is available in your area. Customers often praise Fios for its consistent speeds and low latency, making it a popular choice for online gamers and those who work remotely. While the price point may be slightly higher than some competitors, the performance and reliability often justify the cost. Consider your internet usage habits and budget when evaluating whether Verizon Fios is the right fit for your needs. They provide a variety of customer support options, including online resources, phone support, and in-person store visits. In addition to internet service, Fios offers a robust TV package with a wide selection of channels and on-demand content, as well as home phone service with various calling features. They frequently have promotional offers available, so it's worth checking their website for current deals. When considering your internet options, it's important to compare not just price, but also the speed, reliability, and customer service offered by each provider. Verizon Fios consistently ranks high in customer satisfaction surveys, highlighting their commitment to providing a quality internet experience. Before making a decision, be sure to read reviews from other customers and compare Fios with other internet providers in your area to ensure you are getting the best value for your money. They occasionally offer contract buyout options for customers switching from other providers, so be sure to inquire about any available incentives.